If you've been using a PC for the last couple of years, you're aware of some of the security issues that seem to be popping up all over the place. There are viruses, there's spyware, there's spam, there's a number of different things that go on every day on our computers that keep us on edge because we're always worried about what's going to happen. Well, I want to show you one of the tools that you can use today that's free that Microsoft has recently come out to help keep your computer, your Windows computer, safe. And again, this applies to whether or not it's a Windows XP machine, Windows Vista, or Windows 7. The tool that I'm talking about is called Microsoft Security Essentials. And the best way to show this to you, if we go into Internet Explorer or whatever browser you use to go on the internet, and then just search for Microsoft Security Essentials, and then click on the Microsoft Security Essentials link that will take you to the Microsoft site. There's a big blue download button. You want to download the English version, obviously, and then you can pick your operating system based on what you're using on your computer. In my case, I'm going to pick the Windows XP 32-bit. The security within Internet Explorer will ask you to download the file or to enable that, which then forces you to go back and do it a second time. But once you've done that, you can click the Save button, save it into the My Documents folder, and it'll take a few seconds for that to download depending on the speed of your internet connection. Inside the folder, once you've downloaded it, there's the setup file, and you can run the setup file and it'll take you through the installation process step by step. One of the first things it does after you accept the license agreement is validate your installation of Windows. Take a couple seconds, tell you whether or not it's valid, and then it lets you do the install. I accept all of the defaults during the install, and it's going to take a few minutes for this install to run. Once the installation's been completed, you'll see the screen. It'll give you the option to scan the computer for threats after it gets the updates. Go ahead and click the Finish button, and it'll go out to the Microsoft website and download the latest definition files to make sure that you're getting all of the latest viruses and potentially unwanted software removed from your computer. Again, it'll take a couple minutes for this update to take place. Once it does, we'll come back and talk a little bit about how you can set it up to scan your machine. All right, once the update's complete, you'll see the update notice here, and the red bar at the top will have turned to green and now say protected. And what that means is you've got the latest definition, so all the latest viruses and all of the latest spyware you're being protected from those using this tool. From here, we can click on the Settings button, and just if you want to set it to run a scheduled scan on your computer once a week, once a month, whenever, you can set the day here and the time and set it to scan however you want it to scan. You can also go through a number of different options here. One of the more important things about this tool is that it does do real-time scanning. So what that means is it's always looking as files come in and out of your system. It's scanning those files for any potential unwanted software. So if you receive email, or if you receive a document, you're on a network and you receive a document from a server, you're going to be able to tell immediately, and you'll get a little pop-up in the bottom corner here that will tell you if you've got some sort of an infection. Okay? Once you've done that, if you want to go ahead and run a scan, you can just come back to the Home tab, click the Scan Now button, and it'll take off and do a scan. If your business needs a PC tune-up, please give us a call at 209-368-7700, and we'll schedule a free technology assessment for you. I'm Evan Stone, Chief Technology Officer with Network Management Solutions.